How to create public account on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom you can see different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox and the profile. Just click on the profile option that is appear at the last. Click on three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on the settings and the privacy here, and before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the privacy here, and you can see there is an option of the private accounts. Turn it off, and in this way you can see switch to public account. Click on the public account. In this way you can switch on the public account on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.